If you are based in India, especially in Bangalore, and want to work in Sydney, then this job is for you. So you will be primarily based in Bangalore, India, and your shift will be from 12 p.m. to 9 p.m. India time. So they are calling it as a EMEA shift. This job is for Azure Cloud Ops Engineer, and the company is Intertrust Group. And they have various clients here in Australia, and they wanted this for this job. They want a person to be adept in the backup services, especially. Intertrust Group is a premier global business, legal and financial service company providing knowledge-based solutions to clients worldwide. They have locations and capabilities in more than 140 jurisdictions in Americas, Europe, APAC, and Middle East. They have more than 7,500 employees. So for this job, you need to be very good at recovery and backup services, especially with the Azure focused. So you need to know inside out what Azure Cloud is, and you should have hands-on experience with Azure backup services and Commvault. Plus, you need to be very good at operating system concepts like Windows and Linux. You should also know how to manage Azure Backup, Azure Site Recovery, and other disaster recovery solutions. You would also need to implement organizational objectives for backup and restore improvement and compliance with industry standards. For this role, it will be good if you have 3 to 7 years experience as sysadmin, plus you should be well versed in all Windows operating system versions from 2008 to 2019. If you know PowerShell scripting, that would be awesome. So, if you think you are up to this job, then go to Intertrust Group's website and apply from there directly. Thank you very much.